here it is, the nor'easter of February 2010. That's my Jetta. Poor girl. It's a Mark II. I love that car. But it's totally ineffective in this weather. Thank goodness I'm in my freaking Jeep. Look, check me out. Got my radio. I got four-wheel drive. Oh, there's the farmhouse. My house is over there somewhere. Anyway, let's go cruising around. Hold on, I'm gonna like put you up here. Wait. That's not good. And we gotta turn off the door. Serious blizzard conditions here. We're out on the ocean here. Nice. Oh, there's a car going up the road. There it goes. I'm coming down. I mean, we got like serious blizzard conditions. No, I'm going to put you outside for a second. You can listen to the wind whipping. This is some serious stuff, man. This is like something you see every year. Last time this happened that I can remember, I was like 9. My birthday's tomorrow. I'll be 41, so it's a long time ago. But yeah, it's crazy. Listen to that wind. Listen to it. Howling. I can't see the snow, but it's... Hold on. There we go. Hope you'll see it off of my headlights there. We're supposed to get like 57 inches of snow, I heard from the Army meteorologist out on APG. That's crazy. Biggest storm I've seen in my adult life was in 96 or 7. And we got 46 inches of snow in 36 hours. And this is supposed to be just as crazy. So, that light up on the hill, that's Buddy's mom's house. It's funny. Yeah, look at that. It's howling. It's just blowing like you wouldn't believe. I'll give you one more shot of the wind. Listen to this. This is like whiteout conditions. I mean, you shouldn't be out in the snowmobile in this shit. But I came out to clear the Jeep off because it already had 8 inches of snow on it since 3 o'clock this afternoon. And it's now only like 10:30. So we're getting hammered in Maryland. Near the border of PA. So, check it out. This ain't that interesting, but I find it very interesting. Global warming, what? We're getting hot? No, I don't think so. We're like cooling off real fast. Anyway, God bless us all.